Gracias. Gracias. Gracias por estar ahí. Gracias por ver mis lecciones de español. Gracias por vuestro apoyo. Vale, ahora, ¿qué diríais después de que yo diga gracias? What would you say after me saying thank you? Gracias. De nada. De nada. Well done. De nada. It's great. Perfect. Absolutely wonderful. De nada. Yes. However, there's more ways to say it. And in order to speak more advanced, more like a native, to understand better, and make yourself sound more interesting when speaking Spanish, I'm going to teach you other ways to say you're welcome. De nada. So let's go for it. Welcome to Spanish. Bienvenidos a Spanish with Chris. Right, so first of all, congratulations to all of you who said de nada. And also congratulations to all of you who said an alternative. Maybe you said one of the ones I'm going to teach you now. If that is the case, well done, keep it up. You're doing a really good job. But let's see now alternative. Let's see all the alternatives, quite a few alternatives for de nada. The first one, no hay problema. No hay problema. Not a problem. Not a problem. Not a problem. Yeah, no hay problema. For me, this one is more modern. Like, I wouldn't hear many of the old generations saying this phrase, no hay problema. It can happen, yeah, of course, but I would say that young people, or kind of the newer generation, will say it more often than the old generation. However, use it if you want to, if you like it. It's great. Now we're going to see the next one. Gracias. What? Gracias? Gracias a ti. Gracias a ti. So, thank you. Yeah, for example, I've received messages on my social networks from people that watch me, some of you, thanking me for making these lessons and all that. But what I say to them, my answer always is, thank you, gracias a ti, gracias a ti. Thank you for watching me, por verme, thank you for your support, gracias por el apoyo. So for me, it's me who has to thank you. So the way we say it is gracias a ti, gracias a ti, gracias a ti. So yeah, you think it's the other person that should be thanked. So say gracias a ti. This one is very formal and very kind of perhaps slightly posh and makes you sound very, very, very polite. And the phrase is el placer es mío. El placer es mío. So the pleasure is mine. You can also shorten it and say es un placer. Es un placer. So you can use either of them. If you want the long version, which will sound you even kind of more posh, perhaps, maybe, that would be then el placer es mío. You want the shortened one? Perfect. Es un placer. Es un placer. The next one. Tú hubieras hecho lo mismo por mí. Okay, you would have done the same thing for me. Okay, so which this sentence is great, you know, for those situations where you do something for someone, okay? You do a favor for someone, that person thanks you, but you think that this other person would have done the same thing for you. So it's very simple. The translation would be, tú hubieras hecho lo mismo por mí. So there's no need to thank me. The next one is more simple, it's quick, it's perfect to use it. No es nada. No es nada. It's nothing. It's nothing. So it was nothing for you. It's nothing. It wasn't a thing it wasn't something really hard to do. It's not something that you had that was a burden for you, or you had to put too much effort to it, or you actually enjoyed it. It was okay. That's what you're here for. No es nada. It's nothing. No es nada. It's the least I could do. Es lo menos que podía hacer. Es lo menos que podía hacer. It's the least I could do. Yeah. So, this one, happy I could help. Me alegro de haber ayudado. Me alegro de haber ayudado. Nice one. Really nice one. So use it, start using it from now on. Me alegro de haber ayudado. So, gracias. Me alegro de haber ayudado. Me alegro de haber ayudado. Happy I could help. It's not, the translation is not literal, but that would be the approximation. Okay, so perfect. Let's go for the next one. No hay de qué. No hay de qué. So it's like, gracias. No hay de qué. There's no need to, you don't have to thank me, or there's no reason to thank me. So that's it. Thank you very much. Gracias. Remember to follow me on my social networks. Just to let you know, I am uploading a daily video, a very short video, less than a minute, on my Instagram every single day of the year, teaching you one word, a random word, and I give you an example. I'll give you its translation. And this example also has the translation in English, just to help you a little bit more. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet and you want to improve your Spanish a little bit quicker, remember you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll be very happy for it, because I put a lot of effort because I'm doing that so you can learn Spanish even faster. So that's it. Thank you. Gracias otra vez. Os veo la próxima vez, y muchas gracias por el apoyo. Hasta la próxima.